Hey guys, I received so many messages from you all in my Instagram DM, and a few weeks ago I opened up a question box in my stories, but I didn't have enough time to answer all the questions. To me, it's important for us to connect and share a little bit more of the frequently asked questions. So today, I want to answer here some of the questions that I get asked very often. There are questions from my career, being a mom, motivation, and honestly, some random ones too. So stick around to hear them all. And the last one is the one that I get asked the most. Let's go. So the first one is, were you a mom when you started medical school? And if so, how did you do it? I have answered this question previously, but almost every time I open a question box, this one seems to be recurring. I was not a mom when I went through medical school. I got pregnant during my last year of residency. So towards the end of residency, it was a little bit challenging, being very, very pregnant, morning sickness kicking in, being exhausted all the time, and still having to go through the residency hurdles and challenges. It was definitely not easy, but it was doable. So the second question, what was one of the hardest classes that you took as a pre-med student? Hands down, organic chemistry. I hated that class. That class kicked my butt. I barely passed it, y'all. But I made it. So the next one is, I just failed one of my nursing classes. I'm trying not to give up. Can you give me any advice? Well, friends, in life you will be faced with many failures, and that is okay. Failure is not defeat. It does not mean that hope is lost. So always remember that failure is never a problem. What really matters is what happens after failure. Do you decide to quit? Do you continue to make the same mistakes until your dream is obliterated? Or do you use failure to help you improve your skills, redefine your plans, or redirect your efforts? The truth is that failure offers you a learning opportunity, and as long as you never quit, you can have many failures without ever being one. Keep on moving forward, surround yourself with the right people, and do not take your eyes off your dream. Also, this time, I got so many questions about my lashes, so I'm going to share a little bit right now. I love lashes. I usually wear strips. Sometimes I may get individual ones, but strips are my faves. I get them from Walmart or really any beauty supply store. If I see something I like, I get it, I try it. I just think it's fun. So the last question is, I admire you so much. I want to know how you manage your personal life and your work life. So maybe this one is the most asked question I get. To be honest, I don't really believe that there's such a thing as true balance. As a working mom, your entire life can feel like a balancing act. For me, it's a constant juggle, trying to juggle school calendars with my schedule. Some days are full of joy and sweet surprises, and other days are exhausting and very discouraging. I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm reinventing myself every day. I'm changing things around as the kids' needs are changing. I prioritize. I don't try to do it all. I delegate a lot, and I make time to rest. And the most important one, I give myself grace. I am so grateful for the community we have built together online. I definitely want to do this more often. So drop your questions for me below, and maybe I will do a part 2. What do you think? Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and let's keep the momentum flowing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again next time.